Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 11th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on gold 4 hour time frame, I think we're looking at a WXY. Most likely we need to go down a lot for a wave Y. This is a 4 hour time frame. So we definitely want to keep an eye on this move up right here to see if it does end up bouncing from a fib level and continuing back down. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we got our Fibonacci retracement just on this move down right here because that's the last impulsive 5 wave move. As you can see, this move up right here definitely looks very, very corrective. So I'm watching my Fibonacci levels. If we get to one of these fib levels and we make a nice engulfing move down, I definitely would take it as a short. I think I would primarily be looking for shorts because if this goes down for a wave Y, that would probably bring us down well below the low of wave B and probably be a really nice shorting opportunity for us. Now today is CPI inflation data, so we'll have to see how that turns out for the US. So definitely be careful of that news event today. But as of right now, this is definitely what I'm looking at is possibly a short at one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.